the faster, easier way to perform power quality studies. Introducing the Fluke 1770 series. The Fluke 1770 series conveniently powers directly from the circuit you are measuring, so you won't need an electrical outlet or have to worry about failing batteries. The Fluke 1770 series lets you perform power quality measurements quickly and confidently, even if you're not an expert. The guided setup is foolproof and enables you to easily set up custom views to get the data that is most important to you. It starts logging data automatically, so you can always go back and find something you missed, even if you forget to set a parameter. The bright, large touchscreen display, coupled with physical navigation buttons and modern user interface, makes it easy to change settings or investigate data in the field, even if you're wearing gloves. And its compact size makes it an easy fit for tight spaces and cabinets. You can view the data remotely via tablet or laptop and transfer data for analysis via USB, Wi-Fi, or a direct USB connection, even while you're performing a logging session. Reporting is simplified with built-in analysis capabilities for modern, intuitive data analysis and reporting. Simpler, safer power quality analysis even if you're not an expert. The Fluke 1770 series power quality analyzers. Find out more at fluke.com.